Menteri Rangba ke Jylla, Ukonrat ke Sangma, Ong ba ke sorkar ke kloi banyakran halor kino ki mat Paidbah, Hinrei ula kintu ke Voice of the People Party, lani VPP, ban Wanrah mat jongka ha ke Iing Dorbar thawan ke Jylla, ban pinlong Jingeh. Halor ke jingïat Paidbah jong ke VPP Sekretariat, Menteri Rangba ula Ong, baladep pentip ya Khubor Sinchar District, bakila banyakran Deputy Commissioner but Superintendent of Police. Ukonrat ula banjur ru ba ka assembly ka de ka rinsan ka ba biang tam banyakran ni ki jingeh Paidbah ula ong ru ba ka sorkar kamju khang ki jingkhang bat kalong ka ba kloi banyakran halor ka no ka man ka bakta ki Paidbah.
You can have that discussion with the SP and the DC. They will be briefing you.
But how do you see this march?
They again, as I said, DC and SP.
No, not law and order, the issues.
As I said, we have always opened a discussion. We have always mentioned that if there's any issues that are there, we are always ready to discuss any issue. And more importantly, the democratic process that is always followed is that these discussions are held in the assembly, and the session is coming very soon. So therefore, if there are any concerns, that is the correct platform, the right platform to take it up. But apart from that also, as a government, we have never closed our doors to any kind of discussion. So therefore, if there's any discussion, we are always open to discuss any matter of public importance. So that's what our stand is.
Kanongba bernihan kadon ha uput usam ha pedeng ka Assam bat Meghalaya ka wei ka them artli ki Jylla ha ka binta jong ka Assam dan kumba ar phautli ki karkhana red category bat ka Central Pollution Control Board kalapin bniah ka te ka than kum ka jaka ka belong critically pollutant hang ta ka don ka air quality monitor ka balapin pau ka Khubor bala pau perthai ha ka binta jong ka Meghalaya pan dan tang santli ki karkhana red category ka jo ka le air ka baya bintalang hinrei ka jingmut jabo ka yapher de nakata ka daw kini artli ki Jylla Mynta kisdang pen kre banthau ya ka joint action plan